Good morning, DGens. What's going on, guys? All right, let's have a look at JASMY this morning. Even in rank at 68, down 2.9% on the morning, up 66.6% on the week, up 134% on the month, and up 659% on the year. Market cap still looking good at $2.30 billion. I love to see that. Well over $2 billion is fantastic. Volume is decent, 470 million. Market's kind of a mixed bag so far today, guys. It's going to be an interesting afternoon today because we have our weekly close later this evening. So it's going to be very interesting what happens there, how things play out. We're going to be on top of it, guys. We're going to be on top of it. We'll see what happens. So a couple projects having little pumps, but I think we're going to see a greener afternoon, but, we'll see. Let's go have a look at the JASMY chart, see what's going on the daily time frame. Still setting that higher low, which is what we want to see, guys. Very good. So things look good on the daily. 4 cents 733. We're well above 4 cents 4. As long as we continue to close above 4 cents 4, I am happy with that. Going over to the weekly time frame. This would be our 4 cent 4 level. Closing our weekly above the 4 cent 4 level as well is very, very bullish. Look at this weekly candle, guys. We close up here where we are now. That's a very, very good thing. I know that some people don't really, they kind of take it for granted, on a daily basis. But if you look back on the week, look at this weekly candle for JASMY, guys. Absolutely phenomenal close for this week. So very, very good. Very, very good. Let's go look at Bitcoin. Because as Bitcoin goes, so do the altcoins, right? Bitcoin has the possibility of closing a weekly above the $100,000 level. Got to get back up there, though. Sitting at resistance at 99,800. We've closed there 2 days in a row. This will be the third day in a row we close there at that exact level. But that's a good thing, though, right? We had our breakout of this symmetrical triangle. We came all the way down. A bunch of people got liquidated, and then we came back up and respected the trend line on the symmetrical triangle 2 days in a row. And now we're up here fighting to break out, guys. I think next week could be a pretty nice week. Could be a nice green week, guys. We have nice consolidation here. We're tearing away at sell walls and stuff. So very, very good. Very, very good in my opinion. Let's look at the weekly. Let's look at the week. Look at that weekly. Look at that. Even this weekly, last week, was a red candle, but look how far we had wicked down and then got bought way back up. That was a bullish move, even though it was red, right? And then on this one, I mean, look, we're just a hair below 100K. This is a fantastic close as well. If we get that close on the weekly time frame for further continuation to the upside, guys. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. All right. Now, a couple of things to get into here. Courtesy of friend of the channel, Neo Sun. He says again and again, JASMY's PDL. I repeat it. This is the patented technology designed for global application. Check it out, guys.
In today's world, where every moment generates data, it becomes vital to redefine what it means to own and protect that information. This is where the JASMY Personal Data Locker embodies this new era, where technology is put at the service of the individual to ensure absolute control and uncompromising security. It is not simply a digital safe, but an extension of your will, a highly secure space designed to be both invisible and powerful. The architecture of this system ensures dynamic protection of your information, based on the innovation of a man specialized in cryptographic infrastructures who shaped the Japanese Felica card, never hacked to this day, the man who developed the NFC you use every day. This man is Tadashi Morita, CSO of JASMY, a specialist in advanced security technologies. The data is handled with meticulous care, secured with robust cryptographic mechanisms that push the limits of cybersecurity. Everything is designed so that your digital world is as safe as you want it to be, invisible to intruders, accessible only by you. But the innovation doesn't stop at protection. The JASMY Personal Data Locker gives you unprecedented control over your information. At every moment, you have the ability to decide what you share, with whom, and why. This decision-making power is deeply integrated into the system, allowing you to navigate the digital universe while remaining the master of your own identity. This mastery extends to tracking usage. The system records, analyzes, and allows you to visualize the use of your data with total transparency. Every interaction, every transfer, every use of your information is traced, providing you with continuous vigilance. This is not surveillance, but an enlightened management of your digital life. Anonymity, too, is integrated as an essential feature. Your information can be transformed into anonymous data before any sharing, protecting your identity while opening the door to personalized services without ever compromising your privacy. The JASMY Personal Data Locker is more than just a solution. It embodies a new philosophy where technology and freedom meet to give the future of data management a more human, more controlled dimension. Because what matters is not just the data, but how it is protected, shared, and respected.
Thank you so much, Neo-Sun, for the video, guys. Make sure you shoot Neo a follow over on X. Definitely deserves it. So JASMY coin hits new milestone. What's fueling JASMY's ascent? JASMY's recently hit a 2-year high of 5 cents 94, sparking interest across markets. Over just one day, JASMY surged by 34.3%. With rising trading volume and a boost in profit margins, the big question is, what's driving this spike? Can JASMY continue this strong performance? JASMY's recent rally is rooted in growing activity across the network. Active addresses soared by 91.76%, climbing from 3.4K to 6.52K. This increase signals higher demand and adoption, key factors in pushing prices higher. The rise in users indicates strong support for the token. Additionally, large transactions may have increased by 176.43% from 140 to 387. This surge suggests that whales are actively buying JASMY, showing strong confidence in the token's future. When whales move, it often leads to upward price pressure. Their buying activity plays a big role in the rise. Whales' interest is evident in JASMY's recent performance. Capital inflows from large holders jumped from 695.77 million to 1.12 billion in just 24 hours. This spike in whale accumulation strengthens the upward trend, creating buying pressure. Along with this, more long-term holders are moving into profits. The long/short difference surged by 22.53% to 78.41% in just 1 week. This shift shows increasing confidence among investors as whales hold their positions. Their growing profits point to more potential gains. JASMY's rise is driven by both whales and retail traders. If the trend continues, JASMY could target 5 cents 9 level again, aiming for that 6 cent breakout. However, a slight dip around 4 cents 7 may follow if the market corrects, which is what we're seeing right now, 4 cents 7, which is fine. Accumulation at that level, it's all good in the hood, right? So, as always, guys, click like if you like this video, click subscribe if you really liked it. Schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me over on the Patreon, guys. If you do not have an exit strategy yet, if you don't know where you should be placing your sell orders or your profit taking, you need to get over to the Patreon, join a community of people who have been through multiple altcoin seasons and can help you identify where liquidity is in the market and where you should be setting your sell orders. Because there's nothing more frustrating than putting your sell orders in for JASMY. Let's say you put it in at $1. And then there's no liquidity up there. There's no buyers. So it's your price goes right through it and your sell order doesn't fill. And you're sitting there wondering what the heck happened. Why did your sell order not fill? Right? We can help you figure this out, guys, how to identify where liquidity is in the market, where to put your exit strategies, where you should be taking profits. We do a lot of price targeting, price prediction stuff over there as well. We do group Zoom calls every night. You can join the community, add to the conversation, get all your questions answered in real time. And we do them every single night. You can also, again, schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me. The live chat is 24/7. Everyone's always in there helping each other, pointing at new projects, rolling profits from one project into another project to compound gains. We do passive income opportunities like node operations and DeFi staking and so much more, guys. So again, if you've never been through an altcoin season before, there is no shame in having a community of people who have been there before. Hold your hand through it if it means making life-changing wealth for you and your family. So the link is down in the description, guys. Join the community. Once again, click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. And I will see you guys in the next one.